Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip, and look at what I got for you guys today. This is an absolutely gorgeous little truck. This is a 2020 Freightliner M2. It's got the fire-breathing Cummins motor underneath the hood there, Allison automatic, all that kind of good stuff. But this is pretty much a full-blown mechanics truck right there. Boy, you got a big, awesome PTO-powered crane right there. Such a nice setup right here. That's got a nap-height toolbox on it right there. And oh my goodness, look at there. It's even got the roll-out toolboxes right here on that one right there. Wow, that's a pretty nice little setup right there. Hey, we got an air compressor up there. I haven't tried it yet. I have no doubt that it will work. There's your control for it right there. So we'll fire that up later on just to make sure, but I don't expect there to be any problems with that thing. This is so clean. This is probably one of the cleanest service trucks I think we've ever gotten. Look at there, you got your little panels right there. You put your parts in, little parts bins, all that kind of good stuff. Tires on it, knee deep in rubber. Don't know if I'll be able to show you or not, but underneath here, let's see. Yeah, there you go. We're riding on air ride suspension on the back here. That's kind of a nice little thing. I like that. Oh, by the way, I want you guys up north to take a look at these toolboxes. That is the way trucks are supposed to look, guys. They're not supposed to be all full of that rusty stuff. Got the heavy-duty stabilizer bars right there. The one on this side even extends because that's where the crane is actually sitting. Got a nice heavy-duty bumper right here, nice little area right there. Diamond plate bottom. It's got the tie downs if you need to tie something down on there. Some kind of a storage tank up there, not sure, haven't looked yet. Nice setup, nice little tailgate on it right there. There's air hose coming out right there. In here, you've got the little controls. There's an air reel down there. So this is a Stiller 7630. Take a look at the at our website because I'll be having the specs on there for you. Nice little setup right here. Control box to on and off for the winch. These are the little buttons here. If you don't have them turned on, you can't operate that stuff. So they're just like extra kill switches. Nice little setup right here, and of course everything on it is 100% just the way it's supposed to be. Nice little thing right there. We'll just run him in. We really don't need him out. In case you didn't notice that little remote control right there, it does have remote control on it. Might have timed out, so we're just gonna hit the little button here if I can get my finger on it. We're just gonna get the little button right there, and then you're gonna see what that's gonna say. It's gonna say linked on it right there now. And now, of course, all you gotta do is push a button, and then you can do all kinds of things with it. You know, it'll turn, and it'll do that because I have the stabilizers on. Nice little setup right there. Everything is functional. On this side here, you've got more storage cabinets. You've even got a little torch set right there. You can hang your tanks right there. It's got the straps. It's got the mounting brackets for it. Extra storage everywhere. This thing is so clean. I want you to know we did not do any painting on this. This is the way we got this truck in. This thing is just super, super clean. Now I'm going to show you why in just a little bit here. Hey, it's got the vertical exhaust on it. Tires are knee deep all the way around. Look at how clean. It is absolutely remarkable. Interior of the truck looks just exactly like what you'd expect it to look like. Nice headliner, everything. All the lights, everything is right there, good for it. Such a nice little piece. As I mentioned when I started out here, underneath that hood's a fire-breathing 6.7 Cummins. I gotta love those fender mount mirrors. Those things are so awesome. You got the little strobe lights front and rear. You got the fog lights on it. Holy mackerel, this thing is ready to rock and roll, go to work for you. That's a 50-gallon stainless or aluminum fuel tank. The depth goes in right there. Air ride driver's seat. It's got a nice little thing right there to put that in. She's got everything on it, all the comforts of home. That's got cruise control built into it, delay wipers, of course, automatic transmission, Power windows, power door locks, heat, air conditioning, all that kind of good stuff. Controls on off for the fog lights. Fog lights, traction control, PTO, air dump, regen if you need it. Another little suspension dump there. Air brakes, locks, windows, all that kind of good stuff. Nice little piece. Looky right here. Look at that. That's only got 102,000 miles and barely over 3,000 hours. This thing is such a baby doll. It's absolutely unbelievable. Up here you got a nice little clean little area right there. Nothing weird or dumb going on here. Such a cool little truck. Such a nice little truck. It's clean. Hey, you got the 3 passenger seating on here too. That's always kind of nice. So 2020 Freightliner M2. It's got a whole 102,000 miles on it. Just barely over 3,000 hours, and a full-blown mechanics truck. Air compressor on it. A stellar 7630 PTO driven crane. Man, I tell you what, boys, I don't know what more you want. She's sitting here waiting for you right now. If you can use that beautiful 2020 mechanics truck, you give me a call. My cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as usual, I greatly appreciate you looking.